All right, guys, this is part 2 of the 2012 Prime Football Break. We were having a little bit of freezing issues, so we're starting the box 4 right now. Starting this from box 4. So good luck, guys. I will do a hit recap at the end in case you guys missed anything. We got Vernon Davis out of 499 for the San Francisco 49ers. Out of 499, Brandon Pettigrew for the Lions. Looks like our break's doing okay right now. Brandon Pettigrew for Detroit. Out of 499, Frank Tarkenton for the Minnesota Vikings. Then I hit. It is a redemption going to Michael Smith, Najee Good. Combo rookie sig. Michael Smith, and I have no idea what team this is. Anybody know who Najee Good is? Good? Najee Good? Mike Smith and Najee Good. Anybody got a lead on that card? All right, we'll get back to you in a second on that. Adam, thanks. Comes the last pack, guys. Good luck. I honestly don't know who that is. Out of 499 for the Bills, Mario Williams. 499, Sean Green for the Jets. I've never heard of him, so I have no idea. 13 of 99, Derek Johnson for the Kansas City Chiefs, Prime Proof Red. And our final hit out of 199 goes to Chargers, Ladarius Green. Ladarius Green for the Chargers. Let me look up that redemption real quick, guys, and then I'll do a hit recap, just so I know who this is. Michael Smith is such a generic name. It could be any team. Najee. He plays currently for the Eagles. I don't know who he was drafted by, though. Tampa Bay is good. Michael Smith. Buccaneers. Yeah, Tampa Bay. They're both Tampa Bay. They're both drafted by the Buccaneers. So here's a hit recap, guys. I'll do this real quick. Michael Smith, Najee Good for the Bucks. Dual combo rookie sig. Morris Claiborne for Dallas out of 99. We got Ronnie Hillman, Broncos, Prime Sig Silver. We got Ladarius Green out of 199 for the. Then we got the sweet one out of 25, Jerome Bettis. It's a nice hit for Pittsburgh. 17 of 25 for the Pittsburgh Steelers. Jerome Bettis. All right, guys, that's our 2012 Prime Football Break. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Go over anything you guys might want to see again. If not, thanks for breaking with CarverHobby.com. Duke 1640 will be up here in just a couple minutes with his top scrum break. And I'll be back in an hour with Inception Football Case break. Hopefully, Breakers clears up a little bit by then. If no other questions, guys, let me know.